Are you looking for freedom or peaceful state or high ROI or your dream house? So you want to live in modern city, you want to live in smart city, this all answer I will give you. Stay tuned with me. Hi, this is Ari Asif. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So many of my friends, they write me many messages I got from Instagram, Facebook. So everyone was asking me like why we should buy property in Dubai, why we should invest in Dubai, or why we should live in Dubai. So this all things I will tell you now for many reasons. Dubai is the best state to live in the world because it's a peaceful state, it's the smartest state. Everyone knows in the world His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, his mission, amazing. His visionary, too much. You cannot imagine how he is thinking. So we always say him thank you, Sheikh Mohammed, because how he gave us this land to live here. We came from different countries, different nationalities, different cultures, and we came here in Dubai and we feel very secure, very safe. In Dubai, your investment is secure. There are escrow accounts for many projects. So here in Dubai, even you buy property and then you left here and you are going back to your country, you can come back after 100 years. Your property will be safe. And the other reason, the most important thing in Dubai, ROI. Normally in UK, Canada or other countries in the world, you are getting 4-5% ROI, which is normal ROI. But in Dubai, your ROI is 7-8%, sometimes 10%. It's depend on property, it's depend on area. But there is one more thing which you cannot deny. Dubai is tax-free state. In other country, if you are getting 6% ROI, they will cut your income tax, this tax, that tax. So after that, your ROI will be 4%. But in Dubai, if you have like 7% ROI net, it's your ROI. Your return on investment, there is no any taxes, there is no any charges, there is nothing. It's just straight away to your pocket. So which I think is very attractive for the investor who are coming from outside and invest in the Dubai. So they have very smart system. They have made land department, and land department they provide you all things. Like it's very easy to buy property in Dubai. It's no hassle. There is no any hidden things. There is very clear thing. You will go directly and you can buy anything whatever you want. They made some areas for expats and some areas for GCC national and for local, some leasehold, freehold. I will tell you in my further videos about leasehold, freehold and all these things, what is difference there. But it's same as it is in your country. You have property, it's on your name. In Dubai, you have property, it's on your name. And if you are not in Dubai, nobody can touch your property, nobody can sell your property. And here, if you will rent that property in other country, the tenant control your property, it's very tough to vacant. But so here they have full system. Here they have RDC, which is rental dispute center. If you have any kind of dispute with your tenants, you can go there and they will help you a lot. Nowadays, it's very easy to buy property in Dubai. If you have some little bit investment, you can come here, you can pay just some percentage. Even there are some government developers, semi-government developer and private developer. They're offering you like post handover. There are many projects which is attractive payment plan, so you can buy property very easily, which was not easy before. So in my next video, I will tell you like what is post handover, what is payment plan. So I will tell you all things. So now you can buy property in the modern city, in the safest city, in the smartest city and center of the world. Because a very important thing here, you have peace of mind, you have freedom of your life, you have security of your life. This is the most important key of your life. Everyone needs these three things. They want freedom, they want peace, they want safety. So Dubai will give you all these things. If you like this information, you can like my video, you can subscribe my channel and share this video. If you have any question, you can contact me anytime by email or by call. My number and my email you can find in description. So have a good day and see you again.